ako pa yan kasi nasira itong washing machine kong isa. Automatic na nasira. Ito, yung spinner nasira na rin. Hindi siya gumagana, pero meron akong maliit. Dito ako nag-spin. Ito ko ina-spin yung mga malabhan ko na dun sa kabila. Mamaya na yan. Malag. Ay. Diyan muna kayo ha. Sa mga alaga ko. Panoorin ko na yung alaga ko dyan. Tubig lang ang dala. Kala ko wala. Ay. Live ako sa YouTube niya. Baka ano. Aray ko. Church ko ito. Aray ko. Aray. Pajama ako. One million people in the house. Shout out. $10 million people. Shout out. Kaya kayo matutulog. Patience. My bed. 18 minutes in the house, my love, shout out and welcome to my live stream. Okay, we're about to sleep and preparing for sleep na tayo, guys, kasi tomorrow we have work to do. 12 million people. Diyan muna kayo ha. Kasi matutulog tayo. Oy, natumba siya. Ay, natumba siya. 6 million people. Isang like naman dyan. Thank you. Tawa ka dyan. We are about to sleep. Brushes natin.
Nagkarakamig niya tao.
Saan?
Lakas-lakas na bagyo.
Sorry na.
Tandaan ka.
So million people.
Hindi, pa yung motor sa tao.
Nakakawenta. Napangita ako ang akon nga. Nya oh. Ay kalang gali pa yan. 4 million people, mega love shout out. Hello, 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 hello. Gulpi mo magsilod sa tatay mo. Gulpi mo magsilod sa tatay mo. Gulpi mo magsilod sa tatay mo. Ay, kakbalo. Kara kami duha ni Ann sa gwa ni. Nag-ano kami sa package niya. Nag-shorts lang sa trio. Nang inablang ang kita kalipot-lipot. Di ako yung pajama. Ako yung sinyo. Di ko ni white ka nag-mind. Hay pajama. Man ko yung kag t-shirt. Nagsulod ang binata. Nagkatutra ho. Nangitak disda siya niya. Hamba ko siya. Why ka nagambal? Hindi di makadto. Bako to siya. Diri lang kuya oh. Kuya, ano sulod to? Diri sa oh. Diri siya oh. Ano siya pasok sa shorts na. Lipot. Puti-put kayo. Wow. Kung nakita, ikaw dyan kang Alaga ta. Yambay na. Wait, agad ka problema. Tres lang na dyan. Abra. Ni. Ipatapon na dyan. Ni. Gintapon na dyan. Ni. Gintapon na dyan. Magsuklay muna tayo bago matulog. Maglo-lotion tayo. Six million people in the house. Shout out. Mm-hmm. 3 million people. That's my baby. 8 million people. Shout out. Zishine. Hi. I'm fine. How are you, Zishine? I'm with my baby. We're about to sleep. Seven million people in the house. Shout out. Zishine, how are you? I'm from the Philippines and I am working here in Kuwait. And where are you from? Thank you so much for dropping by. 6 million people in the house. My love, shout out. I have this. Kain ako, 6 million. No. I'm so ugly. I cannot show my face because I'm so ugly. Because I'm so ugly. Shan, where are you from? Nakakahiya. Saksak ko rin eh. I need to be in the house. Make a cup shot out. Hindi ko ito i-restart ngayon. Kasi... Five million people! Ano sabi niya? Oh, where are you from? Yes, I know. Manood din ng live. Shishan, I will visit your channel. Wait. Channel. You have a YouTube channel? Ah, 206 subscribers. Wait. What's this? Oh. 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 Nice. Forex trading. These are your short videos. All short videos? Why do you want to see my face? Where's your playlist? Do you have playlist? You're from India? I don't know how to read this.
Pasalubong yan. Natin.
Ano matiyag mo?
Pasalubong lang sa natin. Kaya.
Um,
Hmm?
regalo naman. Ambot. Hadiah. A million people. I don't know Hindi.
Regalo? Pasalubong mo?
7 million people in the house. My love, shout out. Please say hello so that I can visit your channel, guys. Since you're the only one here in my channel, I will visit all your posts and then I will play it and then I will like your videos. Okay? Okay, Shishan? Zishan. Zishan. That's your name. Zishan. 8 million people in the house. My love, shout out. You have also picture here? Wait. I will first. Now I can subscribe you because I already visited your videos. Wait. Where's your video? Where's your photos? These are all shorts. These are all your short videos. You're following the stock market. Bitcoin, huh? I can see your photos. You don't have. This is you. Offline crypto trading class in Mysore. How do you pronounce it? Is it Mysore? Yeah, I saw it. What course is it that you have crypto trading class? What is your course? Eight million. Stock market. Little. So you are a trader, huh? Mm-mm-mm-mm. Intraday master classes. Investment plan 2A. Oh. Do you understand my English but you cannot speak like me? You understand movies, YouTube, podcasts, but when it's freeze, it's not your fault. You just never used the right method, but try shadowing. It's a science-backed method. Huh? It's a Pronova after native. I, I cannot read it. Your brain starts speaking for real. No more translations. In your head, it's freezing like real progress. In 10 minutes a day, after a week, you'll see results. Trust me. So if you're ready, click the link and let's get started. Oh, like this video. Next, one day I will make like this setup. Oh, wow. I like this video. This is your last video. Traders up na college. BSE. I don't understand this. Mahara trading. Next time you can have your translation, or you can write it in English so that everybody can understand. For now, okay, Shishan, since you visited my channel, I will make you a moderator in my channel and then I will give you more subscribers. Excuse me. Wait. You are now a moderator in my channel. And if I can open my other phone, I will give you more subscribers. Shishan. Can you please comment on one of my videos so that I can see your channel? Select one of my videos there. I uploaded some videos there. Please comment in one of my videos so that it will appear in my notification and I can um, subscribe you back. Million people in the house, mega love shout out and thank you so much. Guys, maluoy man mo sa akon ay ang bisita man mo da hindi man English bi. O gas ano na dugo na kon ilong oh. Dugo na kon ilong. Tululo ng dugo guys. Di na ko magtulok sa akong cellphone kay tulo na dugo oh. Kaginap ako dito sige English. Thank you, Zishan. Tululo ng dugo sa akong ilong. Hindi na ako mag-English. Oy, sakit na, no? Maluoy mo sa akong day. Ang isa das babaw ko pamati lang na. Kadto ka sa live ko, bi, oh. May naga-English to. Buligi man ko English, oh. Chay? Chay Maria. Buligi ko na English, bi. Dugo ilong ko, oh. Nakakagigil. #207 subscribers. I don't have my phone here with me. Wait, if I can open this. Sishan, I will give you. Maghina ni ron ang internet. Shishan, I will give you 5 subscribers. Wait. Nakakagigil. You know, Shine, you have to upload more videos so that you can have more subscribers because not everyone can understand about um forex exchange and
Hindi naman ko ako
Bitcoin traders. Ready? Charger? Mag-charge ka? Kasaksak pa ko ba si malubat ko ba? Buta, kuwaon ko lang ni. 6 million people in the house. Mega love shout out and thank you so much. Sishan, follow Tanya Pedales. Tanya. Ah. Sishan. Oops. Wait. Hindi nagpasok si Tanya. Next time, if you visit my channel again, I will give you more subscribers. I will make you 210, Sishan. You are now 207. I will make you 210. Wait. Shishan, you are now 208. You are now 208. I will give you... wait, I am watching your... This is your short videos. Look. 9 million people in the house. Shout out. Thank you so much. And, Shishan, I already subscribed you. You are now 209 subscribers. You have now 209 subscribers. I will make you 210. I'll make you 210. Wait. Yes, I will give you only 4 subscribers for now, 4 or 3. But I will give you more. I will give you more subscribers. Your subscribers is already 209. See, you have 209 subscribers, Shishine. And now I will make it 210. There. I will watch your video first, then I will subscribe. Na, 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 ni, na, na, ni, na, na. Kabuta lang eh. Shishan, you have now 210 subscribers. 6 million people in the house. Thank you. Okay, no problem. Thank you so much, Shishan. I will give you more subscribers. Promise. Tomorrow, maybe tomorrow, yeah. I think I will sleep. No. Wait. I will just go to sleep. You watch me, I will sleep. Guys, you watch me, I will sleep. I will just keep this. Ouch. Ang kabutan. Ay. Aray. Napagok naman ako. 4 million people. Shout out. Time to sleep. Thank you, Shishan. Four million people, meron pa akong isang cake. So, meron pa akong isang cake, Because I have many YouTube channels. I will give you more subscribers, I promise. Bibit Vlog, mega love shout out. Thank you so much. Wait, I will make you a moderator in my channel. Yes. I am about to sleep, but I'm still hungry, so you're now a moderator. You can drop your channel and Zishan, you can subscribe him. Are you a girl or boy, Vivitlog? Yes, I will pin your channel. Wait, there. Hmm. Okay, Vivitlog. Thank you so much for dropping by. It's what time is it now? 10:49 p.m. here in Kuwait. What time in your country now? Where are you from, Bibitlog? Pinoy to eh. Bibitlog. 4 million people. Thank you. Five million people in the house. Mega love shout out. Thank you so much. Six million people in the house. Shout out. It's time for me to sleep because it's already late. It's almost 11 o'clock. Tomorrow we have work to do. So we have to sleep early. Tulog ka na. I'm from India, but I live in Kuwait. Oh, are you here in Kuwait? I am in Kuwait. I am here in Kuwait. Um, I am in Mishrif. Good night, guys. Thank you so much for supporting me. And every day I go live and different time. Not not all Olympics nga. Na ano na ako nadugo na yung ilong ko. Vivid Log and Z Shine, thank you so much for staying with me, and I need to go offline now because I have work tomorrow. I'll see you in my next live. Sahara. Thank you so much for I'm in Mishref. Sisha, please visit Vivid Log channel and subscribe, please. Just leave a comment so that he can see your comment and reply you back. I'm so sleepy now. 3 million people in the house. Shout out. Sishan, thank you so much. So means you're in Sahara. Where are you working? What is your work, Zishan? Okay. What is house riding? Horse riding. Sahara, is it a desert? Desert. It's in the desert area, right? Sahara is in desert, right? Yeah. Okay, that's nice. 6 million people in the house again. Mega love shout out and thank you so much, guys. Yes, we are always in Wafra, and maybe next month we'll be staying in Wafra. My employers have house in Wafra. We are staying there in winter season. During winter, we're staying there. So you are just, can you speak Arabic? Can you speak Arabic? Why? You need to speak Arabic so that you can understand what Arab peoples are talking. I'm so sleepy. Yes, but I don't know Arabic. You have to learn how to speak Arabic. How many years are you staying in Kuwait now? 6 months. Oh my gosh. Okay, good luck in your next um in your next 1 year and 9 months of staying here in Kuwait. How many years are you planning to stay in Kuwait? 2 years, yes. So you still have 1 year and 9 months. Enjoy your last enjoy your moments in Kuwait. I've been here in Kuwait for 13 years now. 6 million people in the house. Mega love shout out. I'm so sleepy. I am already 13 years here in Kuwait. 13 years, 1 3. Yeah, a very long time. 5 million people in the house. Mega love shout out. Guys, I'm so sleepy, and if I cannot speak anymore, means I was sleeping. I'm so sleepy. 6 million people shout out. Thank you, Zishan, for dropping by. You have to sleep also because tomorrow you have also work. So you have to sleep. Good night. Yes, Zishan, thank you so much. Yeah, very much appreciated. Bye. Good night. 7 million people in the house. Mega love shout out, guys. Let's sleep. Hmm. 7 million people in the house. Shout out. Bantayan niyo ako, guys. Matutulog ako. Bye, guys. Good night.